कृपया ध्यान दीजिए गाड़ी संख्या 1 3
This whole YouTube journey has been honestly pretty disappointing. Not just disappointing, it's been downright frustrating and unpredictable. And I want to share why. When I started this channel, I wasn't exactly sure what it should be about. I'm passionate about a few things like financial independence, clever credit card hacks, living a simpler life, and embracing the joy of missing out. But I'm also fascinated by science, quantum physics, philosophy, and all sorts of random curiosities. So I tried to cover all of that, or maybe some of that. But here's the thing: YouTube seems to want me to focus on just a few specific topics. I'm not sure if that's right or wrong, but that's what I'm starting to notice. I've poured my heart into videos on topics I truly care about, like the one about Sunita Williams being stuck in space. A story that any space enthusiast would find fascinating, but YouTube barely gave it any traction. It got maybe like 20 views. Then I made a video on something closer to my niche, financial independence and early retirement. I talked about Naval Ravikant's concept of leverage, the four types of leverage he describes. That video, it got a whopping 10 views. Crazy, right? So now I'm trying something different. I'm going to make low effort videos, just simple, quick uploads, and see what happens. Is it consistency that YouTube rewards, or is it like frequency, or does YouTube actually want creators to produce high quality content? This is an experiment, and I'll be sharing what I learned right here on this channel. If you're subscribed, this might actually give you some insights into what YouTube really values. And if you're thinking about starting your own channel, whether as a creative outlet or maybe even as a career, this could be useful for you too. So stick around, let's figure out together. Thanks for being here. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.